Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazmi bin Muhammad Nasir. And so for today, I will discuss about Lab 3, which is Operational Amplifier, Comparator and Summing Amplifier. So for the first part, which is part A, Comparator Zero Level Detector. First, I create the circuit like on this diagram in the multi-sim live by using AC supply with 10 volt and 1 kilohertz frequency, and I use this op amp, and then I simulate, and I got the waveform for Vmax. For Vout is 12.085 and the Vin is 9.9518 volt. And for Vmin for Vout, I got here negative 12.085 volt, and for Vmin for Vin, I got negative 9.9659, which is the difference is only the difference between Vmax and Vmin, only the negative and positive value. And for the part B, Comparator non-zero level detector. Here I add 3 components, which is DC supply and DC supply with 15 volt, and here is 2 resistor, which is R2 4.7 kilo ohm and R1 is 1 kilo ohm. And then I run to see the output waveform, and then I got here the cursor for blue one is indicate the V reference, which is I got here 2.3954 volt. And then I repeat the same step, but I replace the R2 4.7 kilo ohm with 2 kilo ohm. And then I run, and I got the V reference is 5.1335 volt. And then I repeat again, but I replace R2 with 1 kilo ohm, and I got the V reference voltage reference 8.03 volt. And this is the calculation that I made before I do simulation. And for the R2 equal to 4.7 kilo ohm, I got here the value for V reference is 2.63 volt, and the resistor 2 equal to 2 kilo ohm, I got here V reference equal to 5 volt, and the last one R2 equal to 1 kilo ohm, I got here 7.5 volt, which is when I compare the calculated value with simulation value on the output waveform, we can see here the difference is not too big, just small, which is 2.63 volt with 2.3954 volt, and 5 volt with 5.1335 volt, and the last one is 7.5 volt with 8.03 volt. Maybe for this one is, I think I put the cursor on the output waveform a bit far from the point that V reference should be. And then for the last part, which is part C, summing amplifier. In this part I use three resistor, which is R1, R2 and R3 with same value, which is 10 kilo ohm. And then I run. Then I got for the Vmax for V out is 1.9938 volt and the V in is 996.47 millivolt, and the V min is only little different, and the difference is positive and negative value. And this is for the calculated value, which is I got negative 2 volt for the V out. And if I compare to the experiment, I got V out 1.9938 volt, which is very little different. And next I repeat the same step, only I replace R2 equal to 2 kilo ohm. And then I run, and I got the Vmax for V out is 5.9842 volt, and the Vmax for V in is 997.01 millivolt. And if I compare on the calculator, I got negative 6 volt, which is the experiment I got the V out is 5.98, which is very small difference. Almost achieve the accuracy. And then for the question, what do you understand about summing amplifier? I understand summing amplifier in another type of operational amplifier circuit configuration, which is used to combine the voltage present for two or more input into a single output voltage, and it can produce return sum. For the second one, what happened to the output if the frequency of the sources is increased to 3 kHz frequency? So on my observation, the output voltage waveform will be same, but the length of waveform might be different at x-axis, which in time period will decrease. And for the last part, for the conclusion, at the end of this lab, I able to understand the function of comparator and summing amplifier, which is a comparator used to compare the amplitude of the one voltage to another and produce an output either of two states indicating the greater than or less than relationship of the inputs, while summing amplifier is used to combine the voltage present on two or more input into a single output voltage with using inverting amplifier. Next, I am able to demonstrate and investigate a comparator circuit during simulation process, which is the output voltage is represented as digital wave consists of high and low base V out graph due to comparator's function is to compare two input volt and produce one output relationship. Lastly, I am able to demonstrate and investigate a summing amplifier circuit, as we can see in my result, which is output voltage is opposite respect to input voltage known as inverting, and the value of output voltage during the simulation also similar with my calculation value. And that's all for today. Thank you.